the shui, putting the cashew milk into the coffee. One good thing about going into work or having a late day at work is that you get to actually see the sun shining when we're awake. That's not what I mean. Yeah. Like we get to go into work when it's actually daylight out and not pitch black during the winter time. With that being said, welcome to the next episode, guys. I'm gonna try and get some shots at work today, I think. It's just tough because I deal with people face to face all day and there's a lot of sensitive information, addresses, emails, phone numbers, that kind of thing. So I gotta be careful not to present any of that. So I think maybe, you know, at the end of the day, I'll try to just get some shots of me and the shui. And yeah, so on that 9 to 7 grind today, guys. Catch up with you later. Chinese food gains, bro, with the Valentine.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to all you Valentines. About to devour some Chinese gains. You think the work stops when we get home? Oh no. What was that look for? Making tea for her mommy. For her mommy. What a good daughter. Tired shui.
I like hate it because like they think I'm like the person.
No.
Enthusiastic, but I'm tired.
Just tired.
Alright.
Swimming, swimming,
It's okay.
swimming. Yeah, he can't see you. Woo! Happy Valentine's Day. Gonna change and eat some sweets. What's up, guys? Hope you all had a wonderful Valentine's Day. Lily and I did. Got those sushi gains, those Chinese gains. Had a little cheat meal. I feel really good this morning because I had the day off, so I got to sleep in a little bit. Excuse my voice. Just sucks because Lily's working today and I'm off. I'm going to, geez, hold the camera right, buddy. Kind of a late start. I still got to go to the gym and do some other stuff. You know, send some emails and, you know, easy stuff, but just stuff that's going to consume a little time. Let's get to it. Dragon Balls, man. Dragon Ball Z. Just off to a slow start today. Gym sesh number 1. About to go down. Gonna get some fasted cardio in and then get some stuff done. Got the seltzers on deck. Yes, I do. Guys, this is my life when Lily is not around. Dude, I do nothing. Like, I'm like a freaking useless lump of crap sometimes, you know? Like, this is like one of the reasons like why I know she's my soulmate. Like, I'm just like better in every phase of my life when she's around. It doesn't, like, I just feel like I am so, like, dude, if you've never felt this, like, you've never felt true love, and I freaking believe that so, like, to my core. Like, she literally completes me. and it's it's crazy. I'm just like, damn, I just can't wait till she gets out. I can't wait till she gets out. I can't wait till she gets out. I'm just like not doing anything. I went to the gym. I went to the store. Got some groceries, but even in the grocery store, I'm like, dude, what do I even get? You know, like, what do we even need? And I just know if she was there, I would just, I don't know, I'd just be in a better state. I'd just be like thinking better. Oh, am I just making excuses? Am I just being a little bitch? I don't know. Maybe. I gotta feed the dog. Oh yeah, son, don't be shy for the camera. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Yeah. Do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. Yeah. You gonna do me like that, bro? Come on, bro. Do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. Do it. Do it for the vlog. Alright, I'll give you your privacy. Ah, he knew I was still filming him. No, seriously though, I'll give you your privacy. This dude brought it over to the rug. Yeah, you. He brought it over to the rug to eat it. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off for real this time. Scout's honor. So I put up a video of what I put in my post-workout shake. I've since switched that up. I don't make a shake per se. The only thing that I have post-workout for any kind of supplementation is Formula 1 from First Form and Ignition, and I just use it as directed. I've been using the Fruit De-Loop, which is the Fruit Loops flavor. It tastes just like Fruit Loops. It's amazing. And then the Ignition, which you mix together. And I've noticed gains, and I think it works really, really well. I'm on to my second shipment. It lasted me about a month. I don't take it any pre-workout. I don't take that as my pre-workout, I should say. I got Cinnamon Toast Crunch, CTC. So I'm excited to try that. I just used the last of the Fruit De-Loop flavor, so I'm excited to try the CTC next time. Yeah, but that's the only thing I take post-workout now, as far as supplements go. So it's nice because I don't have to make a shake. It's quick. It's only 2 things plus the water. You know, I'm not putting in kale and bananas and peanut butter and coffee and all that stuff. Even though the shake was very good, this is just way more beneficial with way less calories too, which is a big thing for me because I do track my calories. Okay, vlog fam, it's time for gym sesh number dos. Gonna go crush some shoulders and back and stuff. I already did my cardio. Yeah, man, it's been not really a productive day, but I mean, it's been a good day. Did laundry, went to the store. Just didn't really do anything. I mean, I've been on my phone trying to network and stuff and check some like Instagram analytics. And here's something that has worked for me that someone contradicted, and then it didn't work for me. If that makes sense. So basically you can use 30 hashtags on Instagram and then your post will get more exposure, right? Someone who has over 150,000 followers told me only to use 3 to 5 good hashtags, and that'll get you on the explore page easier, because typically if you put a ton of hashtags, and we all see these comments, get like, oh, peep my page now, or oh, I'm a clothing ambassador, wanna be one, something like that. So when Instagram sees like bots like that commenting on your post, they'll put it like lower on the like ranking, so to speak. So I said use 3 to 5 good ones, which I thought I did on my most recent post, and I got like 150, maybe 250 less likes on that post, which is quite a bit considering I probably get 300 to 500, depends on how good the post does on each post, which isn't a whole lot, but the engagement definitely dropped. So I'm gonna try to do that a couple more times and see how it works, but I think that you're better off sticking with 30 hashtags. Again, it was one try, but something to bear in mind. Give it a try. Let me know how you guys make out. Let me know in the comments if that works for you or not. If you find more engagement with only posting that many hashtags. But the key is they have to be good. So, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna end the vlog here. My hair is on fleek, if I do say so myself. Yes, I did wake up like this. So subscribe if you haven't. Thank you again. I appreciate all the love and support. Please share with one friend if you found value in this video. I will catch you in the next one. Thanks.